This is gonna blow your mind. Are you tired of your grocery bills looking like a luxury car payment? It's time to take control and become a supermarket ninja. We're about to unlock the secrets to saving money without sacrificing all the yummy goodness. Get ready to slay those aisles and conquer your budget, because today we're diving deep into supermarket hacks every young woman needs to know. Think of this video as your official guide to becoming a grocery shopping queen. So grab your reusable bags, put on your game face, and let's get this bread without spending all of it. Okay, money savers, let's talk about digital coupons. Gone are the days of clipping coupons from newspapers. Download those coupon apps like Ibotta, Checkout 51, and Fetch Rewards. These apps give you cash back on your groceries. Just browse, add the coupons, and scan your receipt after you shop. Boom! Money back in your pocket. You can stack these digital coupons on top of store sales and manufacturer coupons for even more savings. Trust me, once you go digital with coupons, you'll never go back. It's just so easy and convenient. Alright, my savvy shoppers, let's talk about the best kept secret in the supermarket world. The best days and times to shop for markdowns. Generally speaking, weekdays, especially Wednesday mornings, are your golden ticket to savings. Weekends? Avoid them if you want to save serious cash. Stores usually restock midweek, marking down items close to expiration to make room for new inventory. And don't even get me started on those clearance sections. They're like hidden treasure chests just waiting to be discovered. Just be sure to check those expiration dates and you're good to go. Okay, my fellow foodies, let's talk about meal planning. It's not just a trendy buzzword, it's a game changer for your kitchen and your wallet. Meal planning is the ultimate weapon against food waste and overspending at the grocery store. By planning your meals, you can make sure every ingredient has a purpose. Think about it. How many times have you bought random ingredients only to have them go bad in your fridge? Yeah, me too. It's frustrating and wasteful. Take some time each week to plan out your meals. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just jot down a few ideas and make a list. Check your fridge and pantry for things you already have, and then make a list of the ingredients you need. This way, you can avoid buying duplicates. This way, you'll only buy what you need and reduce those dreaded impulse buys. Stick to your list and watch your savings grow. Plus, when you have a plan, you're less likely to order takeout or eat out, which saves you even more money in the long run. Home-cooked meals are healthier and more satisfying. So grab a notebook, start planning, and take control of your kitchen. Your wallet and taste buds will thank you. Alright, my fellow shoppers, let's talk about the layout of grocery stores. Have you ever noticed how they strategically place the most tempting items, like those delicious looking cookies and chips, right at eye level? It's all part of their plan to make you spend more money. The key is to stick to the perimeter of the store first. This is where you'll usually find the freshest and healthiest items, like fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Once you've stocked up on the good stuff, then you can venture into the middle aisles for your pantry staples. Stick to your list and don't be afraid to say no to those tempting treats. Okay, let's talk about store brands, aka the unsung heroes of grocery shopping on a budget. These are the products that often get overlooked but can make a huge difference in your monthly expenses. Sometimes those brand name products just call your name. They have the flashy packaging, the big marketing campaigns, and the familiar logos that make you feel like you're getting something special. But trust me, in most cases, the store brand version is just as good, if not better, and it's going to save you a ton of money. Many store brands are actually made by the same manufacturers as the brand name products, just without the fancy label. You're basically paying for the fancy packaging and marketing when you buy brand name products. That extra cost doesn't necessarily mean better quality. It often just means more money out of your pocket. Store brands can keep their prices lower because they don't have those extra costs. They focus on delivering the same quality without the added expense of advertising and elaborate packaging. And don't even get me started on buying in bulk. Bulk buying is another fantastic way to save money, especially if you have the storage space to accommodate larger quantities. If you have the storage space, it's definitely the way to go, especially for pantry staples like rice, beans, and pasta. These items have a long shelf life, and buying them in bulk can significantly reduce your cost per unit. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't be afraid to give those store brands a try. You might be pleasantly surprised by the quality and the savings. Your wallet will thank you. Not only will you save money, but you'll also feel good knowing you're making smart financial choices. Alright, my fellow bargain hunters, let's talk about timing those seasonal sales. It's all about knowing when to strike and making the most of what Mother Nature has to offer. Mother Nature gives us the gift of delicious fruits and vegetables all year round, and if you play your cards right, you can score some serious savings. Each season brings its own bounty, and being aware of this can help you plan your shopping trips more effectively. The key is to buy produce when it's in season. This is when fruits and vegetables are not only at their peak freshness and flavor, but also at their most affordable prices. That's when it's at its peak freshness and flavor, and it's also when it's the most affordable. Seasonal produce is often more abundant, which drives prices down, making it a win-win for your taste buds and your wallet. Not sure what's in season? Just do a quick Google search, or ask your friendly neighborhood produce manager. They can provide valuable insights and tips on what to buy and when. And don't forget to check those weekly flyers for sales on seasonal produce. These flyers often highlight the best deals and can guide you to the freshest and most affordable options available. You can often find amazing deals, especially if you're willing to buy in bulk and freeze some for later. This way you can enjoy the taste of summer berries or autumn apples even when they're out of season. There you have it. Those are my top supermarket hacks to help you save money without sacrificing your love for good food. Remember, grocery shopping doesn't have to be a stressful or expensive experience. With a little planning and these savvy tips, you can conquer those aisles and keep more money in your pocket. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite supermarket hacks? Share your wisdom in the comments below, and let's help each other become grocery shopping queens. And don't forget to subscribe for more money-saving tips and tricks. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.